Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel BlairTech256. In this video I'll show you how you can turn your smartphone into a speaker for PC. So let us get started. So in case the speakers of your PC are not working, this video will be more helpful. So just head over to your Google and then you download this software called SoundWire. Okay, the download link will be under the description of this video. This software, just scroll and go to latest version and then scroll down to download. You wait for the download. So here it is, just start the download. So after downloading it, let us head to our phone and then we download the SoundWire app for Android. So just head to your phone and head to the Play Store and then you download the SoundWire app. The download link will be under the description of this video. Just install it. So it is done installing. So let us head over to our computer. So now on your computer, go ahead and install the SoundWire software. Just go through the setup wizard, install the software, then launch it. Just don't mind about this, it should be on default as you can see right there. Now grab your device. So this is step number 1 on how to connect to SoundWire wirelessly. What you need to do is to turn on the mobile hotspot. So you need to make sure that your phone and computer are connected on the same network. So connect to the hotspot of your phone on your computer via the Wi-Fi. So right there, my computer is connected to my phone's hotspot, connected one. So now go ahead and launch the SoundWire app on your smartphone. So before we put this server address right there, you need to set up your SoundWire like this in order to get the best sound. Go to the settings, then head to audio buffer size, then tap on 32K. Okay, then head back. Now we are going to put this server address in our phone that you see right there, this server address in our phone. So let me go ahead and put it. Okay, so I'm done. Now go ahead and press right here to connect. Tap on that. So you see right there it is connected. Now let me go ahead and play something on my PC. Let me first mute the speakers of my laptop. Okay, so let me go ahead and play this. As you can hear, you can even go on the home screen and the sound plays too. So that's how you can use it wirelessly. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel BlairTech256. I sign out.